Lanaola. Y'all know it from LisaLanaola.com. Today's episode of this YouTube channel is Learn, Laugh, Live with Lisa. Today we are cooking. Last time I made Jamaican red soup at home in New York. You guys saw it. I gave you the ingredients. Today I'm actually in Jamaica. Coming to you live from Jamaica, where I was born. And today we're making Sunday dinner. I have a chef. His name is Payu. He's a chef, a real chef. And I'm gonna be his assistant for today. Today we're cooking outside. I'm showing you what it's like real Jamaican style, cooking outside on our makeshift stove, right? So we put the coals out here and he lit it. Everything is lit and he's going to come back. We're going to make today oxtail, curried goat, ackee and saltfish, rice and peas. I'm looking over there because my sister, she's like talking to me at the same time. So if I'm not looking here, I'm looking there because she's like my production manager, I guess you can say, for today. So she'll come on and say hi whenever she wants to. And then that'll be that. But today we're making curry goat, oxtail, fish, brown stew fish, rice and peas. He's not ready yet. He's setting up his stuff. And that is going to be your Jamaican Sunday dinner. I'm just talking to them, explaining what we're doing before we set up. I mean, while we're setting up, and then that's that.
I want to watch him on YouTube. I'm going to learn how to make it.
Yep, we're gonna learn how to make. So in this pot, he's starting off. This is the peas with some water, because we're gonna be making rice and peas with that. So that's what's in that pot. Okay, production assistant. That's what she's doing. She's like directing us, and that's that. So I'm gonna try to walk you through what we're doing as we're doing it, but that is basically what we're doing today. Sunday dinner, right? Okay, so let me introduce my chef. This is the chef, Payu. He's a real chef. I'm his assistant for today. So everything he's in charge of.
Yeah.
So these are the seasonings that we use. So we have all-purpose, which we do have there. We have onions, peppers, jerk sauce, jerk seasoning, because they like stuff spicy, so it's a little spicy seasoning. They have curry powder. We have some peppers, all kinds of peppers. This is hot peppers. Onions, potatoes, scallions, we got it over here. Same thing we used.
Irish potato.
Yep, we got potatoes. This is the oxtail, uncooked, getting ready to be cooked. And this is the goat, uncooked. It's seasoned. This is my cousin Donovan. Hi, Donovan.
Hi.
That's
your sister over there.
Yep. Say hi, sis. And that's that. And these are Dutch pots. This is the fish. How can I forget the fish? I love fish. It's seasoned, ready to be cooked. And that's that. So here we have the pot, onions, peppers, garlic. The goat's gonna go in here first. And like I said before, this is where we have the peas cooking with the garlic. So this is our table. This is our setup outside. Oh, how could I forget the coconuts? This is how we make the rice and peas. Grated coconut, old school grater. I used to have to do this every Saturday night. My grandmother made me do that for Sunday dinner in the mornings. Even if I went out on Saturday nights, got to come back. That was left for me to do. That was my job. Until we got the one in the can.
I know, right?
We got the one in the can, and I was like, thank you, God, for saving my life. It's not lazy. It's just if we find the easier way, do it an easier way, right? So that's that. So this is the goat. It's curry. They put curry seasoning. It's a spicy seasoning. He seasoned it, and now it's just ready to be cooked, right? So that's how it looks uncooked. Show you how it is cooked. So this is the setup, how we cook outside. You just put the bricks down, levels, tire irons there, put some coal in there, put some oil on some paper, light it up with matches, put your pots, and you cooking. So that is the curry goat. Look how yummy that looks. Ow!
That was good.
That is the oxtail just put in with all sorts of seasoning. That is the peas cooking. Peas cooking.
There's our lovely chef.
Chef doing his thing. Look how good that looks. This has been done, literally, it took him like 15-20 minutes just to do this. That's how easy it was. Easy peasy. Because he's a pro. If it was me, it took me so long to cook my soup.
Did it?
Because I take time to peel the bananas, and you got to peel the yam and the sweet potato.
He's a professional.
He is. It was like 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay, y'all know every Jamaican dish, or if you don't know, every Jamaican dish uses the same ingredients. We have to have onions. We have to have scallion. We have to have thyme. Like that is that's a must. That's a must. Peppers, onions, scallion, thyme, and garlic. Boom, boom, boom. Once you have those basic ingredients, you can cook almost any Jamaican meal, right?
Rice and peas and grass
Yep. Yeah, you talk to them. I don't know what.
Hmm?
You tell them what you're doing, not me. Lisa's not here to commentary. He's seasoning up the rice and peas, guys. We Jamaicans, we season everything, even our rice.
Let them hear some patois. Let him talk
Oh, you see me up here filming?
I love it. Tell them what you're doing, Caillou.
What, rice?
Yeah, what are we doing? What are you doing now?
About 4 pounds of rice.
About 4 pounds of rice.
No,
I'm gonna be the translator.
Hmm?
What are you doing? What's
Just
that?
say you're seasoning it.
Now season up the rice. You have to season it up to get a nice taste.
I know, I'm telling my YouTubers what you're doing. You gotta tell them what you're doing.
He's seasoning it. Ooh.
Putting in some butter. Jimmy.
This is a salt, right? To go in the butter.
Salt. Thank you, Donovan.
Donovan said butter. Butter. It's butter.
Butter. Is what in the utensil? The spoon.
Yeah, utensil.
Wait, Vinny says,
Her name is Anessa.
Anessa.
With an A. Vanessa without the V.
you're the V.
So we're adding
Salt.
salt, butter.
Salt, butter, peppers, scallion, onion, seasoning, salt, all of that, you guys. Some more seasoning. Mmm.
Paprika. That is paprika. Paprika. Turn up. Check
Donovan will comment.
Yeah, you must start right.
What is that, paprika?
No.
What is it?
Jerk.
Jerk seasoning we're putting in next, guys.
You can cook in the water.
Okay.
Everything in there now, man.
Everything in there now. Ooh, check on it on Curried Goat.
You hear your voice, Vanessa, when you talk about the curry. You sound like you in love with it.
I am. gorgeous.
Still tough.
Yeah, that looks good. Still tough. Oh, it's hot right here though. Shit. Oxtail.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
What age did you start cooking?
12. Oh, sorry. He was
You need to have a separate video with
15?
Donovan.
He started cooking at 15.
15?
Who taught you?
grandmother.
That
Donovan needs his own video. Like, period.
he doesn't need an echo.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Okay, so how did she teach you? Like formally, like she took you in the kitchen and taught you, or you
Yeah.
just watched her and learned?
Most of the things that question me ask.
So you just did it.
You were watching her and
Just ask her the question and then me try to know.
Okay.
so you never watched her?
What about the time to give you a piece to cook? How you doing? Ask him about that one.
Oh, she told you she told you to make rice and peas on your own?
Mm-hmm.
Donovan is just making.
I was Sunday she got church.
Mhm.
I'm just cook Sunday then. I find that and said, boy, you're good.
Yeah.
And you just started not going.
Just done.
Period. What about? What's your favorite thing to cook?
Should I sincere though?
Yeah. Sorry.
Sorry.
Vanessa said, "What's your favorite thing to cook?
She?
What's your favorite thing to cook?"
Soup.
Yeah.
Really? Like,
Why?
Hmm?
Vanessa says, "Why? Why do you
should I
like?
write the question
What do
for
you?
you?
What,
And then you can ask him, like-
why do you like cooking soup?
You know, I just get a love of soup. Yeah.
Chicken soup, cow foot soup,
Any
goat head
soup.
soup. Okay, soup, any soup. Good.
What's your favorite Jamaican meal? What's your favorite meal?
No, my favorite soup to cook I like conch and
Okay.
seapuss.
Okay.
Sick yet?
So seafood soup.
What's
Yeah.
his favorite food?
What's your favorite food to eat?
To eat, tin mackerel and rice.
Ooh.
Tin mackerel and rice.
That.
Tin mackerel and rice.
I like corned beef.
You like corned beef and cabbage?
Yeah, and rice.
You guys already know what my favorite meal is because I say it all the time. Everybody knows it. Ackee and saltfish.
Oh, yeah.
Has to be. First is soupies and rice without meat because I don't eat meat. So soupies and rice without meat. And then ackee and saltfish. Okay, so he's been cooking since he's 15. Self-taught, basically. Did everything on his own.
Crazy.
Which is, that's it. That's how we
Mice
do
can
it.
do it too, you know.
Yeah?
Really?
Yeah.
The people that are part with services, I have to say are complete.
Complete package.
I do everything with service.
Yeah.
How long have you
Hi,
been
Auntie.
on
Say hi to YouTube.
Oh my gosh.
Aw.
You're looking good.
Thank
So how long
you.
have you known? Down the fire.
Mm-hmm.
So the fire's too hot, guys. So now he's gonna turn it down by just taking some coals out like that. There you go. Woo! It's so hot right here. How's the rice looking? Oh my god, that looks amazing. Yes. Everything's looking good.
Okay, so now we have. I'm so tired. It's so hot.
I know.
It's literally hot out here.
It's like
So now we're
1,000
up to the
degrees.
fish. We're gonna be frying the fish. Fried. This fish is actually.
Weren't you supposed to do that? That's your job. You're
This
slacking.
fish is actually so
Fire
fresh.
your assistant.
They actually catch it from the sea and just sell it at the market. So that's where he picks it up. So he literally had to scale the fish, gut the fish, do all that kind of stuff. Everything had to be cleaned and taken care of. So this is actually super, super fresh fish. And now it's just being fried in oil. And then it's going to be cooked down with, like we call it brown stew. It's going to be stewed down. Okay, and that's that. This is the final result of what we did for the day. We brought all the pots inside. So this is the fish. The fish was fried down and then it was brown stew. So it's brown stew fish. The rice and peas, look how big the pot is. Those are the pot size. Those are the rice and peas. This is the curried goat. This is the curried goat. So it's a lot. It's a big pot as well. This is the oxtail. That's a big pot as well. So this is it. This is it. Everything is all done. So this is rice, vegetables, fish, oxtail. This is a salad. It's cabbage, carrots, and